My brother Excellency Muhammad, Minister for Trade, Turkey, Honorable Sayyid Naveed Kamal, Minister of Commerce, Pakistan, Honorable Ministers, Excellencies, government officials, and members of delegation from Turkey. Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. It's really a great moment and a milestone in our historical and brotherly relations, that something which has been subject of discussion for the last many years, and after our trip to Ankara in the month of May and untiring efforts on both sides from Turkey and Pakistan, led by Sayyid Naveed Kamal and my brother Muhammad, under the dynamic leadership of Excellency President Tayyip Erdogan, and of course by the government of Pakistan, we have achieved wonderful results, and today we have signed trade goods agreement which will open vistas of opportunities between our two great brotherly countries, and our potential is unlimited. Our capacity is beyond anybody's imagination, and our commitment is outstanding. Therefore, signing of this trade and goods agreement would lead to achieving much higher heights